And today I'm going to be showing you the Katchy. That's right, if you don't know what the Katchy is, this is that annoying bug eliminator. That's right, if you get those small flies, house flies, and flying insects in your house on occasion, that is what this is made for. It's got this UV LED light around the top. It's got a little fan right here in the top as well. And when the bugs come towards the light, they get sucked in, they get blown to the bottom, and they get stuck on a little sticky pad. And so there's no poisons and there's no toxins that are going to be in your kitchen with this. And it's a nice, safe way to eliminate bugs. It works extremely well. I've had the previous version. I just got this one. I've used the previous one quite a bit and I'm very excited for this one. I've actually run a test with it and it works extremely well. Let's go ahead. We're going to take a closer look at this and I'm going to show you the results, which is a bunch of dead bugs, of this Katchy. Let's do it. Okay, so here it is. This is what the Katchy looks like. You can see on the front you have a fan speed control, you have a light bright control, you have an auto mode, and you also have a manual mode. And the way it's recommended that you use this is put it out at night when everybody's gone to bed, turn off all the lights except for this, and just let it run all night long. And that's what the auto mode is for, is so when the lights go out, this will automatically kick on to attract those pesky fruit flies and tiny flying bugs, gnats, and things like that. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and power this up because I want you guys to see what it looks like. There you go, it's on manual mode. You might be able to hear the little fan on. You can see this nice luminescent UV light glow here that's going to attract those bugs in. You adjust your light right here. You can make it as bright or as dim as you want. And then this is your fan control. So you have low, medium, medium, high, and highest. And of course, like I said, you could switch it in auto mode or manual mode. So very, very cool little device. Let's go ahead. We're going to open the bottom of this thing up. And the way you access your catch, better turn this off, is you have a little tray right here that pops out. And for my test, even though this is technically made for inside, what I did is I put it outside for a night. And this is what I caught in one night. And I'm actually scraping bugs off. You can see that it is quite disgusting, the result. But a good disgusting, because look at all these bugs that I caught in a single night. Just insanity. We even happened to catch a little beetle coming to eat his friends. So very effective light, going to keep your kitchen free of those insects and help eliminate those fruit flies. Katchy has a very good reputation. They work extremely well. They don't use poisons or toxins, and it's going to be safe for indoor use. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.